With the recent addition of sheet metal fabrication, we are now doing 90% of our machine parts in-house, as well as 80% of sheet metal parts in-house. I'm here at Delkor's Advanced Machining Center, also known as the AMC. We've recently expanded to 50,000 square feet in integrated sheet metal fabrication. Our fiber laser, integrated with front-end automation, automatically loads raw material onto the bed and will unload processed sheets. The augmented reality system integrated into the fiber laser allows us to produce parts faster than ever before. The integrated front-end automation allows us to run the laser lights out. State-of-the-art technology embedded in the press brake allows for easy operator use. The time saver allows us to have a quality straight line finish, as well as knock down the edges and deburr. The combination of the laser, time saver finishing machine, and press brake allows us to take the raw material to the completed good in a matter of minutes. The latest 3D printing technology from Stratasys has allowed us to quadruple our output of 3D printed parts. We continue to expand our machining capabilities with the addition of an NLX mill-turn machining center. With the recent investments in fabrication and machining capabilities, Delkor's positioned itself for success in the future.